So she called me on a Sunday morning at 8:30 saying she had a major front door issue. It was only 23 degrees. I said, no problem. She sounded very nice and very worried. I'll be right over. Let's see what you've got. This is exactly what I ran into. So I cleared out all the crud and put the door jamb back together as best I could. Grabbed an old lock from my spare parts bin to get her lock working so I could get it locked temporarily. Went to Home Depot, got the parts, came back. Step one, we take out the weather stripping. Now we're gonna score the jamb right along here. And we're gonna buy a new 4.5-inch wide jamb and some casing. Now we gotta cut this thing out surgically using the Sawzall, and I like the metal cutting blade for a finer cut. We're gonna take the screws out of this jamb, pry this thing off carefully, and get it all out. And when you cut the jamb in half, it's much easier to take it out in pieces. They don't need this old alarm system, she said, to disable it because they are now using wireless. Now, the threshold is attached to the jamb from the side. So we're going to cut that out with the metal cutting blade to get those screws and nails cut so we can get this whole jamb leg out. Now, look at that. Comes right out. We get all that crud out of there, get it replaced, cut the new jamb leg to length, tap it in there nice and tight, and now we have a new jamb leg. Let's test the door. It's a little tight on top, but we haven't even put any screws or shims in there. So now we got the screws and shims in there to hold it securely and get our spacing right, and look at that. Now we've got a perfect gap and the door can operate properly with the right gaps. Now let's get the strike plates mortised using our mortising jig. Get the strike plates in there, get everything locking properly. Get that new piece of casing on there and reinstall the kerf seal here. I even put a complimentary coat of 2-part epoxy over that dent in the door. That can be sanded and painted, and look at that. Works perfectly. This is what we started with. This is what we finished with. We got a very grateful, happy customer. Look at this. This is how I said hello. This is how I said goodbye. Little sanding and painting. That thing will be looking great. Look at that. Everything replaced professionally, securely, properly. It's like you'd never know I was there. This is what a door professional does. You've got a door issue, give us a call. Nashville Door Company. We do doors.